Hi, my name's Jeff, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about heat pumps today. This is a split system, which is a two-part system. This is a single box package unit, which is a one-box system. Both of these look just like what you had before for the most part, but they don't use gas anymore for heat. It's all electric. So what does that mean for you as a consumer? Well, it's going to sound a little bit different, it's going to behave a little bit different, and it's going to operate a little bit different, all by design. The sound is different by design. They do go through a defrost mechanism, which you'll see a little bit of water from time to time. That's why we have this drain pan right here, by design, so that when it does defrost, the water gets caught and moved to a safe location so we don't create a slip hazard. What's different? When we're running an all-electric system, we're using the refrigeration circuit and running it in a backwards orientation to create the heat, which is very efficient because we're no longer having to burn gas. There's no carbon monoxide to worry about entering into your airstream, and we're not purchasing natural gas anymore to do heating in our home. So these units, when they run backwards, they change locations between the two coils in the unit, and they can create icing up from time to time when they're doing their normal job. The unit will stop and defrost itself. Perfectly normal and by design. For the most part, you'll never notice it. On a rare occasion that you do, that's what's happening. There may be a small burst of cold air, but it'll immediately heat up. That's the way they're designed. So I just wanted to take a minute and explain those things to you, because that's what we hear quite a bit. Number one, when it reverses itself, there is a different sound than you weren't used to hearing. It is normal. It's by design. It's going to sound much quieter when it's operating, and that's by design. It's going to use a lot less electricity by design, and it's going to use no gas whatsoever. So, you know, when you were running a gas heat unit, it's kind of like the gas on your stove. Instant gas when you're using gas. An electric stove heats just slightly slower and shuts off a little bit slower. Very common to how this equipment works here too. So a lot of people are used to that instant heat. This is coming just a little bit different rate of speed, but it is very economical, and it is a state-of-the-art equipment that you can get out in the marketplace today. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at the office and we'll go into greater detail with you. Thank you very much, and enjoy your new systems.